Welcome back to Star Biker. Today we are taking a quick look at the 2026 Honda Unicorn 150, a motorcycle known for its reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality in the 150 cubic centimeters segment. Engine and performance. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 is powered by a refined 150 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine designed for smooth and consistent performance. It delivers balanced power for city riding while remaining stable and relaxed on highways, making it ideal for daily commuting. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort continues to be a strong point of the Unicorn 150. The upright riding posture, well-padded seat, and stable suspension setup help absorb road imperfections, ensuring a fatigue-free ride even on longer journeys. Design and styling. The design of the 2026 model stays simple yet elegant. Clean body lines, subtle graphics, and a muscular fuel tank give the Unicorn 150 a mature and premium appearance that appeals to riders of all age groups. Features and technology. Honda equips the Unicorn 150 with essential modern features focused on usability and safety. The bike emphasizes practicality, durability, and ease of maintenance rather than unnecessary complexity. Fuel efficiency and reliability. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Unicorn's biggest strengths. Combined with Honda's reputation for long-term reliability, the 2026 Unicorn 150 promises low running costs and dependable ownership. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda Unicorn 150 is a smart choice for riders who want comfort, efficiency, and trusted performance in a no-nonsense package. It's a motorcycle built for everyday life, staying true to the Unicorn's dependable legacy.